Hello guys, this is Ashraf. In this video I'm going to show you on how to add mesh into your viewport. Okay, so by having different meshes you can model anything by using any mesh that you have added. Okay, so by default you will have this cube mesh on your viewport. Okay, to add mesh, right, so what you have to do is the shortcut key is Shift+A. Okay, Shift+A, you press Shift+A and there is a menu will pop up and everything here can be added. Okay, starts from mesh, curve, surface, empty, lights, camera, and so on. But in this video I'm going to show you how to add mesh. Okay, Shift+A, mesh, and you can select all these mesh one by one. Okay, so we have plane, cube, circle, UV sphere, icosphere, cylinder, cone, torus, grid, and monkey. So let's add one by one. We start with plane. Okay, and by default every new mesh, okay, every new mesh will appear, okay, when you add, will appear in these locations 0, 0, 0. Okay, you can see here location 0, 0, 0. By default it will be 0, 0, 0. Okay, so yep, when you have add, you can, let's say for this plane, you can scale it to make it bigger. Press S and then you just scale it over. So now you see, now you have plane and this is your cube. Okay, noted that your cube is half of the cube is have been sync. Is it sync? Okay, let's say assume it's sync, so you can move by using move tool. Press here or press G shortcut. Okay, GZ, and you move it upwards there. Okay, yep, there. So now this cube is on top of the plane. Okay, right, sorry. Okay, now next let's add new mesh. Okay, we have now plane, we have now we have cube, so let's add new objects. Okay, by default you will see here your object will appear here 0, 0, 0, but if you click anywhere, let's say you click here, left mouse button, okay, alright, click here and I press Shift+A and you add another cube. Oh, it also appeared there, never mind. So let's say this one here. Okay, in Blender 2.8 they have changed the way how to locate things. Okay, so you go to this cursor, okay, sorry, this 3D cursor, okay, select that and you just click anywhere, okay, anywhere there, let's say that. Now any new mesh or new objects will be appear here. Okay, see, Shift+A, mesh, let's say we add circle. See, now the circle is prompt there. Okay, at that new locations. Okay, let's say we click here. Okay, oh sorry, again cursor. Okay, Shift+A, we add mesh. Now we add UV sphere. You see? Yep. Okay, and we add another mesh. Okay, another mesh. Now we add icosphere. So where is icosphere? Is here. Why? Because the 3D cursor is there on the same location as UV sphere. So we just change the locations by using move tool G, or you can go here, is the icon, or you can scale by pressing S. Okay, and you arrange anywhere that you like. Okay, let's say I want to put the next object, it's on top here. All right, so Shift A, mesh cylinder. So now there is a cylinder there. Yep. Okay, so maybe here I want to change, I want to put another cone. This is a cone here. All right. Yep. All right, so now try to add everything. Okay, we have torus. Torus is a donut shapes. Okay, yep, let's put this torus there. Okay, yep. What else? We add the last one, which is the monkey. Okay, now the monkey is here, so let's put the monkey somewhere there. Okay, now the monkey is somewhere nearby the icosphere. So that is how to add new mesh. Okay, to delete mesh is easy, it's straightforward. You just select any mesh that you want and then you press delete button. All right, or you can press X and delete. Okay, delete. You can delete multiple meshes. Okay, select, shift select, delete. Okay, to undo, you just Ctrl Z until you get your mesh back. All right, so this is the difference between circle. This is circle and this is torus. Two different mesh, not the same. All right, so another things that I would like to remind you, every time new mesh is added, you can see here at the scene collections. Okay, the scenes collections here. All right, will show you the mesh type and then the mesh type. Okay, let's say this one, this is icosphere. How do I know? You check on the scene collection here and see when I active this icosphere, and the icosphere is there. You can rename the mesh name if you want, just by double click on the scene collections. Okay, let's say you want to name this as new ico, something like that. We press enter. So now it's name new ico. This one you may want to change the names to cone underscore top. Yep. All right, so it's just as easy as that. So now then you can define, okay, what is this, okay. But if you have the same mesh, okay, the same mesh, okay, let's say this sphere, UV sphere, sorry, okay, sphere, okay, if you add another sphere, another UV sphere, okay, so you can see that the next sphere will be renamed, automatically renamed as sphere.001. This is how Blender renaming algorithm. Okay, so now maybe this one you want to make it bigger and you rename as sphere underscore big. Another one sphere underscore small. Okay, this is sphere big, this is sphere small. Okay, all right, so that's it for this video. I've shown you on how to add mesh that will be used, that is very important, whereby you can use a lot of add mesh after this. Okay, all right. Until next time, see you again.